Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup photos from a SanDisk Extreme SSD to Mac. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Connect your SanDisk Extreme SSD to your Mac using a compatible USB cable. Wait for your Mac to recognize the SSD. Open Finder by clicking on the Finder icon in the dock. Locate your SanDisk Extreme SSD in the Finder sidebar under Devices. Click on your SSD to view its contents. Select the folder where your photos are stored or navigate to the specific images you want to back up. Open a new Finder window by clicking on File in the menu bar and selecting New Finder window. In the new Finder window, navigate to the location on your Mac where you want to store the backed up photos. Create a new folder if desired by right-clicking in the destination area and selecting New Folder. Name the folder appropriately to make it easily recognizable. Go back to the first Finder window with your SanDisk Extreme SSD. Select the photos or folder you wish to back up by clicking and dragging a selection box around them. Alternatively, hold down the Command key to select multiple photos individually. Once selected, click and hold on the selected items. Drag them to the Finder window showing your Mac's destination folder. Release the mouse button to drop the items into the new folder. Wait for the transfer process to complete. You can monitor the progress at the bottom of the Finder window. Once finished, safely eject your SanDisk Extreme SSD by clicking the eject icon next to it in the Finder sidebar. After verifying that your photos are successfully backed up, disconnect the SSD from your Mac. Your photos are now securely backed up on your Mac. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.